get him.
We don't want you here!
Set your phaser on 1/4. I'll leave mine on stun.
Why risk your life for his?
He's not trying to kill us. He's trying to frighten us.
Crater?
Lord, forgive me. Stand by to fire. Fire! Set your phasers on force 3 to kill. We're looking for some kind of creature. And we already know it will kill.
Phasers on stun. Fire. Search the temple. Phasers on setting 1. Fire!
I'm afraid it's even harder than you think, Doctor. Please, don't move.
Checo. I'm sorry.
Don't move, anybody.
Kill him, Kirill, now!
This is fantasy. You wanted adventure? How's this? The old adrenaline going? Huh? Good boy. Now get in the closet.
Okay. Why not simply vaporize them?
Like this?
What you want is irrelevant. What you've chosen is at hand. I just assumed you didn't. Stop!
These phasers have been retuned. Each has a different frequency spanning the upper EM band.
All right, a reminder. We only get to use each of these once, maybe twice, before the Borg learn to adapt. Don't fire until you have to.
That was the stun setting. This is not. reduce this pumping station to a pile of debris. But I trust my point is clear.
Prepare for transport.
Data, cover me.
Please, help.
I don't want to be a statue.
Doctor,
You stay away from me. We don't have time for this.
I pretend to be their friend, and then I shoot you.
Well done, Garrick.
Well, it's just something I read once in a book.
Lieutenant?
I'm right behind you.
a pity. I rather liked him.
I find this hand-to-hand combat really quite distasteful. I suppose you prefer the simplicity of an interrogation chamber. You have to admit, it's much more civilized.
Inside, we don't stand a chance in the open.
Let's make a little heat of our own.
This is set to scan only.
Proceed. Carefully. Captain.
Stun her! She's the alien!
Demagnetizer?
Get down!
Our new weapons. They're called phase pistols. They have two settings, stun and kill. It will be best not to confuse them.
Stun seems to work.
Increased power, another 5 megajoules. Fire. The density's holding, bring it up to 10. That should do it.
Captain!
Maximum setting. If you'd fired this, you would have vaporized me.
It's my first ray gun.